Hi, 7-2 and 7-3. I can't come in today, as I'm sure you can hear my voice doesn't work correctly. So instead, I recorded this video to help you move through class today. You will not be getting your quizzes back because they are in my backpack and I am at home because I am sick. But I will say that there is not a single student who scored below an A. So congratulations on your Oprah moment. You get an A. You get an A. You get an A. Everyone gets an A. All right. We do have a quiz on Friday. 7-3, I don't believe I've talked to you about this yet, but I will talk to you about it when we get back. Today, you're going to be focusing on solving equations of both forms, specifically when there's negative values involved. We're going to start first today. I'm going to ask you to first take a second to share with our sub what do you notice and what do you wonder about this image. Please pause the video now to do so. Awesome. I hope you notice that this is different ways to solve an equation. 4 different ways that we've learned about. 2 involve a diagram, and 2 involve using algebraic expressions or equations, thinking backwards through the equation. What you're going to be doing today is working on this class worksheet. On the front of the class worksheet, I would like you to try to solve this equation 4 different ways. If you're not sure how to do one of the ways, I encourage you to ask the sub for permission to work with someone else in the classroom that knows this method. Make sure you work on the back as well. When you work on the back, many of these equations involve negative numbers. I encourage you to use a calculator to check your work so you can make sure that your solution is correct. To check your work, you would replace the variable with the number you believe that it is, and then solve that problem using a calculator. If it's not correct, try to think backwards, ask a peer, or ask your sub if they can help you think of a number that would make the equation true. If not, we will go over this more when I return. If you finish, you can work on your homework early, but I want you to reflect on what are 2 important things you learned in this lesson about keeping equations balanced and solving equations. You can share them with a partner or think of them on your own. Have a great day, and I will be back soon.